Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now today we're going to be making my recipe for a vegan chocolate fondant, and we're going to use an ingredient which is a little bit different, but it's going to help us and get that rich, indulgent texture for our chocolate fondant. So let's get right into it. Right guys, so to start we have our fat and vegan chocolate. We're just going to get that melted down in the microwave. Meanwhile, we have a can of chickpeas. We're just going to drain off the water. The water's called Aquafaba. It's full of protein, and that protein is going to give us the structure when we whip it up. So you can see the volume. The challenge with vegan baking is nothing can really replicate eggs and all the functional properties that they have. So with our chocolate with fat melted, just going to get this combined into that whipped up egg white Aquafaba chickpea water. Once this is incorporated, we're going to add in some flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and some bicarbonate of soda. Gently combine this again, and this will make our vegan chocolate batter. So next we're going to take some greased Dariol molds, and then we flour them as well. Get your chocolate batter into these, and we're going to bake at a 175 degrees Celsius oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Decant, and here we have our vegan chocolate fondant.